Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Olamic Whippersnapper here with me for a quick review. This is a pretty cool knife, guys. Overall length is going to be around 6.75 inches with a 3-inch long blade, but actual cutting edge is going to be like 2.225. It's a pretty interesting knife, guys. Really nice fit and finish. It's not a cheap one. This is gonna start around $450. You can highly and heavily customize this little guy as you prefer. Titanium frame lock. This case is has like this bottle wash teal anodization with 3 holes drilled out, anodized chamfering. It's a front flipper. 20 CV steel, stonewash, Wharncliffe or ship's foot blade, great ergo. Listen to the sound. Oops. Really snappy, nice clicky. It's really good, guys. It's gonna weight in the pocket 3.2 ounces, so really light, and the ergos are just phenomenal. Look at this. This like really fits in my hand like perfectly, and this advanced grip is just amazing. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full length review. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.